We're gonna make spaghetti carbonara. I wanna give you what I think is the most authentic recipe.
Always wanted to make the most authentic carbonara.
You only need 5 ingredients. Guanciale, or there's pancetta.
What comes after or is what I use.
Most people use Parmesan, but actually, the more classic is Pecorino Romano.
First time my default cheese is the required one.
Yeah! Free-range organic egg.
Kirkland's cheapest eggs.
Pasta.
Pasta.
Black pepper.
Black pepper.
Optional, garlic.
Optional means not needed.
Grab the pasta, twist it into the water.
Grab the pasta, twist it into the water.
Nice job, team.
Guanciale, chop this to about 1/2 centimeter chunks. The pan is cold.
Start with cold pan to render the fat better.
Give the garlic a crack and then put it in the pan.
Guess I will go above and beyond this time.
Black pepper in a pestle and mortar. Get a little sieve. This is one of the most important little bits, and no one really does it.
And no one really does it.
I'm gonna take a bowl and I'm gonna crack the egg.
Take a bowl and crack the egg.
A little pecorino to that.
A little pecorino.
A little whisk up.
A little whisk up.
We've got dark guanciale. You want attitude and color.
Mine got color, but no attitude yet.
I'm gonna remove that garlic.
Remove garlic.
The heat off. And you're gonna drag the pasta. Use the water to stop the frying. Bit of water, bit of water.
Drag the pasta and use the water to stop the frying. Bit of water,
That water is what's going to emulsify to become a creamy sauce.
more water then.
We're not frying anymore. Can you hear that?
I hear Italian hands coming at my face.
Only then can we think about adding our egg.
Add egg mixture while tossing.
We add some more liquid. Ha ha!
Ha ha. Ow!
That's the cream. You get the cream.
Why is mine so watery? Alright, more cheese then.
Carbonara.
Carbonara.
More pepper. Wow.
More pepper. Wow.
I'm so excited. Spaghetti carbonara. Eat it.
I'm excited too. Spaghetti, carbonara. Let's eat it. Simple and satisfying. It only takes 5 ingredients and less than 20 minutes. Everybody should make this dish. Alright, thank you.